Good afternoon once again, everyone. And this is for the first time I get an opportunity to connect to you all. So before starting with the session, I will appreciate if you will be more and more participative. Please participate as the topic is related to communication. Fine. And that is one topic which we all actually keep on interacting with people, but then we do face some challenges while interaction also. So I'll just start. Before starting, do you have any questions on your mind? You have any idea what the session is all about? Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Ramandeep.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, basically the session is about the accent neutralization. Like whenever we speak in our mother tongue, we speak in our vernacular language, we always put that thing in between. How to control that thing and how to neutralize that thing and come up to the proper accent, which English basically is, the phonetical part.
Okay, okay. And any other person who's having any apprehensions or have some purpose, something on your mind that what all we will be covering in this 2 hours? So you can give me your objectives and what you understand by the sessions. Okay. What I'll do, I'll start. Yes, please. Anyone who wants to just speak and just share.
I think, ma'am, this is a skill which is a requirement for the upcoming managers and the budget scenario of managers. Maybe.
Right, right. So somebody has written accent सीखने को मिलेगी. So definitely. So you know that what is accent. Now what I'll do, I'll share the screen. Fine. Okay, yes, you all can unmute your mics and can please speak also because this is a session where I do not want to give you a lecture. I'm sharing my screen. So once I'll share the screen, please let me know that it is being shared. And I guess you people can see the presentation also.
It is visible, ma'am.
Yes, thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much. Okay,
Not completely visible.
now is this visible?
Yes, the PPT is visible.
Yes,
Not
ma'am.
completely, ma'am. Yes, but yes, we can see that. But not completely, it is visible. But yes, we can see that.
Okay, it is not completely visible.
Yes, ma'am. Not on my screen actually.
Okay. So if anyone has any issue related to this, please let me know. I'll press this F5 to make it full screen also. Fine. I think now it will be visible
Yes,
clearly.
ma'am, full screen.
Now,
Yeah, ma'am.
so, okay. So what do you understand by accent? So accent neutralization learning is okay, but what is accent actually? Yes,
The way we pronounce a
the way we pronounce
particular letter.
particular letter. Okay. So actually accent क्या होता है? It is not learning or about American accent, ठीक है? British accent. No, it is just is the way we pronounce a language. As ma'am has said, letter. So it is altogether a language. जो हमारा बोलने का बोलचाल का लहजा होता है. I think you understand when we are from a particular state. Pronunciation, when we are pronouncing a particular set of words in a particular way, so that is actually accent. And you know how many accents are there?
Ma'am,
The famous one, the famous one.
US, Australia, British, and
Yes.
maybe, ma'am, Germany, something German.
Okay.
Indian.
Indian, I was expecting this. What about Indian accent? Indian accent के लिए क्या बोलेंगे?
Ma'am, it is a mix of British accent because we speak British English in abroad.
British accent, Australian, Canadian.
Okay. So when we are talking about Indian accent, now Indian accent is comprises of lot of accent, regional accent. Fine. So India का कोई अपना एक neutralized accent नहीं है. What we do is that we follow British accent, as one of you has already said this. It is we follow British accent, and because Britisher came here, to India, and they have ruled us also for some time, and not for some time, many years, and then they have left this accent here. So, but now, right now, I am not teaching you. मैं आपको कोई accent नहीं पढ़ाने वाली. No British accent, no American accent, no Indian accent. What we will be learning is neutralization of accent. Why there is a need of neutralization of accent? Because see, when we start working, whenever we go, we need to face this issue that people say, "Arey, tumhe to MTI hai." Now, MTI is the mother tongue influence. Fine. When I also take interviews of my candidates, so we pinpoint, student, you have a so and so, you have a MTI, mother tongue influence. When you are from South India, you have a different accent. So accent comes. Now neutralization purpose comes when you start speaking English in the regional accent, or you can say your mother tongue influence, your mother accent, your native accent. So that is the thing when there is a need for accent neutralization. And what we will be learning here is the consonant sounds, vowel sounds, and the intonation part. Though these 2 hours is very less to cover all together these things. अब जिस किसी ने भी ये कोर्स कर रखा है कहीं से वॉइस एंड एक्सेंट का या एक्सेंट न्यूट्रलाइजेशन का, so it is a long course. However, I have tried to comprise it. मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा you can say a kind of a crash course कर दिया है so that you can understand the basic things. Now, what are the factors that affect the pronunciation, or you can say intonation? You know, what are the factors that affects our pronunciation? हमारी आपकी pronunciation को क्या क्या चीजें जो affect करती हैं? Right, that is one factor. What about others?
Speaking.
Definitely speaking, and you will be surprised to know what are the factors that affects our pronunciation जो हमने कभी ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. Sorry? Environment. Wonderful. Yes.
Speech.
Ma'am, I think fluency.
Yes, definitely.
Ground.
So I think you all have covered these things. So your voice is not clear. Okay, so these are the factors which are affecting our pronunciation. One is regional influence. हम जिस state से आते हैं उस state का एक अपना एक mother tongue है. Fine, उस state की एक अपनी regional language है. So when we start talking in the regional language accent, or we start speaking another language, then it comes that regional influence is there. Mother tongue influence, definitely. The way we are talking at our home also. If our parents are talking in mother tongue, let's suppose their mother tongue is Tamil. So the same language, the same effect I have learned. Second comes speech. As some of you have said that speech pattern. Speech pattern comes when I am speaking and I have a very fast rate of speech. Then also that has an effect on my intonation and my pronunciation. So I'll just minimize it so that I can see you and interact with you guys also. Fine. So what happened is that when I have a high rate of speech, आप लोगों ने observe किया होगा that some people they speak very fluently. Fluency is एक चीज होती है, but when you start speaking at a high rate of speech, then what you do? You mispronounce.
Yes, I have a very high rate of speech, ma'am.
Okay, so what you do, Sahil, to just have a check on your high rate of speech?
Ma'am, actually, what I do is I just rethink that word which I have spoken. So I just according to that word I just speak again and again. So I just to control the speed. This is what I do. I don't know what is the exact solution of this problem, but this is what exactly I do. I think about that word again, then I speak again. That's what I said.
So, if you are doing this now, then what will happen? It will affect your fluency of language.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. How can we improve our fluency in speaking?
Okay, so these are two things. Two questions are there. One is that Sahil has asked me, and what Kamaldeep you have asked me. So one by one, I'll give you the answer. First is about the rate of speech. Those who are having जिनकी high rate of speech है. So if you want to curb that, take any article एंड यू नो व्हेन यू आर रीडिंग एन आर्टिकल ना, तो उसमें क्या होता है, बहुत सारे वो होते हैं, उसमें पैराग्राफ्स होते हैं, ठीक है.
Yes.
हैव अ स्टॉपवॉच इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. नाउ स्टार्ट रीडिंग इन योर ओरिजिनल टोन, जो आपका रेट ऑफ स्पीच ओरिजिनल है. सबसे पहले उसमें यू कैन स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. नाउ काउंट दैट इन 1 minute हाउ मेनी वर्ड्स यू हैव स्पोकन. Take an average. You can calculate the average. Now comes, start reducing that. Again, take a paragraph. Now start reading slowly at a slower pace, and it will be a continuous practice. ये आपको continuously करना पड़ेगा. सिर्फ एक बार दो बार से it will not affect you. But my point is that do not stop in between and then start rephrasing. वो आपकी fluency को affect करेगा long term में. So whenever you will be speaking, आप पहले सोचोगे, then you will again बोलोगे, तो वो fluency destroy होगी उस time पे. And yes, and for you, ma'am, when you're saying how you can improve on your fluency, first of all, start simple practice. बता रही हूँ. You know that there are tongue twisters. ठीक है, internet में भी if you type tongue twisters, so that you can get n number of tongue twisters. Pick the one which you find is very comfort. You people are very comfortable with. Start practicing tongue twisters. This is one way of enhancing fluency. Second way of enhancing fluency is plug in any song. कोई भी आप English, if you want to enhance your fluency in English, English के song की बात कर रहे हो. I'm talking about fluency, not pronunciation. Plug in that music, your best song. Start singing along with that. That also enhances your fluency. So these are two tricks, two things that you can do to enhance your fluency level.
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome. So coming back to this, yes,
I
please.
think this is the best solution which you told me that I need to read that article again and again according to my speech. So definitely, ma'am, I will gonna improve it. But yes,
Definitely.
it will take some time. But yeah, definitely I will gonna improve it.
Yes, yes. It will take time because nothing comes on an instant basis. We need to practice.
I will
And
do that.
yes, but stop doing this practice that you are speaking and you are thinking about the word, then you are doing. That will affect your communication skills.
Communication skills. Yes,
Yes, yes. Okay.
need to work.
Sure. So moving again ahead of this, now speech pattern. When I'm speaking, speech is rate of speech that we have just discussed. Then comes a personality. You know, our personality plays an important role. If I am having a outgoing personality, if I'm an extrovert, ना अगर मैं extrovert हूँ, तो क्या होगा? Same will affect I will have on my rate of speech indirectly also. You have observed people who are introverts. So introverts होते हैं, what they do? They speak less. They speak at a slower pace. Now, I'm not talking about the people who are nervous here. I'm talking about people who are having introvert personalities and a person who is having an extrovert personality. So your personality also plays an important role in pronunciation and intonation part specifically. Then comes our environment. One of you have said that our environment, so very true. Our family and friends plays an important role. जो हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं है. How come our family? The way, see, you have observed our parents, they have done their graduation, their education in Hindi medium. ऐसा होता है ना, ज्यादातर हमारे पेरेंट्स ने हिंदी मीडियम किया होता है, उनके पेरेंट्स ने भी हिंदी मीडियम से पढ़ा होता है. So same approach, same language, same pronunciation they carry. वही हमने बचपन में सीखी, but when we were kids, we were not in a position to question them or saying, "Mama, आप गलत कह रहे हो, पापा आप ऐसे नहीं ऐसे होता है." Now you have observed when our kids come, आपके if any one of you who's married and having kid and a kid is like 4 or 5 years old who's learning this speech pattern in their school, you can observe they start guiding you, or if not you, then there are other people also who are at that age, they are having kids or maybe kids of your family. वो पिन पॉइंट करते हैं ना, नहीं चाचू नानी, अब ये दिस एंड दैट, ये ऐसे नहीं होता, ये वर्ड को ऐसे बोलते हैं. नाउ DONKEY, fine, MONKEY. So somebody will say monkey, somebody will say monkey. So that is because of a family and friends influence. Now, what are the effects of mother tongue influence? If any one of you is having MTI, तो उसका क्या इफेक्ट होगा? कोई इफेक्ट होगा भी कि नहीं?
मैम होगा.
क्या इफेक्ट होगा?
Communication skills are first of all affected.
I believe second, I don't know.
मैम हम जैसे देखते साउथ इंडियन जैसे स्पीक करते हैं उनका बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस होता है लाइक अन्ना सांबर डोसा समथिंग लाइक दैट.
इफेक्ट क्या है एमटीआई का? अगर यस
Ma'am, the second person will not able to understand मतलब कि what exactly we are. I mean, we are speaking. So मतलब
Okay.
थोड़ा communication में problem आ सकता है.
Confidence skills, ma'am.
ओके, हियर आई एम सेइंग अगर आप में से किसी को एमटीआई है तो उसका इफेक्ट आप पे क्या होगा? दूसरा नहीं समझ रहा, वो तो अलग बात है, आप पे क्या इफेक्ट होगा उसका?
हम जब बच्चा छोटा होता है तो वो अपनी मदर से ही सीखता है कि मदर कैसे बोल रही है, बाहर के लोग कैसे बोल रहे हैं, कैसे कम्युनिकेट कैसे कर रहे हैं बच्चे के साथ,
राइट.
तो वो वही सीखता है बचपन से ही।
ओके.
और मैम
एक्चुअली मैम एक्चुअली मैम
यस प्लीज.
actually ma'am we learning from our surroundings, that's why we are like
मैम कॉन्फिडेंस कम हो जाएगा. इट लेक्स द कॉन्फिडेंस.
Exactly.
yes yes
Exactly. This is what my point was. You will have low self-confidence, as one of your friend has written here also. And what will happen again when you have less confidence level? It kills your confidence. You will sound funny. होता है ना when somebody is having this thing MTI. So people start making fun of these people. You become self-conscious and you will sound wrong. तो आप किसी भी ग्रुप में बैठे हैं, तो किसी भी ग्रुप में व्हाट विल हैपन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेन पीपल स्टार्ट टेलिंग अरे देखो तो तुम्हें तो एमटीआई है, मदर टंग इन्फ्लुएंस है, यू आर नॉट प्रोनाउंसिंग द वर्ड्स राइट, तो स्लोली ग्रेजुअली क्या होता है, हम लोग उस ग्रुप से कटना शुरू कर देते हैं. वी डू आवरसेल्फ आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम दैट ग्रुप. सो इट किल्स योर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल एंड
You
इट
will
टेक्स. यस प्लीज.
you will get demotivated. Person will get demotivated.
Yes, the person will get demotivated. Now, example of certain MTI. No, this is one example. Now, quickly I'll tell you, these are three cases of three friends. Fine, you can read also, but I will read for you. Now, first one is Yo-Yo Sunny Singh, who lives in where? Now, Punjabi knows. Canada. Yes. So he lives in Canada and wants to open a Toyota showroom with financial support from his dad ji. Now there is another person, Chintan Chakraborty, who is going to get married to the girls of his dreams because he loves her very much. Now there is the third one, Bablu Yadav, who is fighting university elections and promises everyone to give them a neat and clean university, class on time and examination on time if he wins. Now what you have observed, there are certain words which again are very prominent and have a very heavy mother tongue influence. Can you just pinpoint the words which are again having a very strong MTI?
Canada, Toyota, support,
Toyota.
Yes.
and myred,
Very
and
much.
ma'am, all the words with quotation.
Mary office dreams.
Yes, very true.
neat and clean.
Neat and clean is fine. Neat and clean is fine. But what about examinations?
University is
Yeah,
also there.
yes.
University
Yes.
should be there, but university.
Yes,
something is
examination
mentioned.
is all as well.
Yes. So these are very common. These are very common examples of MTI. I have another slide for you. Now, the word is this. Pleasure. This is a word which is mispronounced. How you will give pronunciation for this word?
Pleasure.
Pleasure.
Ma'am, yes, somebody says pressure.
Yes. So actually, this is not. Now these are the mispronunciations. Pleasure. No pleasure. No pleasure.
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 It is a mix of two sounds, Z sound, the sound, and sure. It is pleasure. Pleasure.
Exactly. Pleasure.
Pleasure. Now, when I'm saying your sound means there is a glide of two sounds हैं, उनको हम mix कर रहे हैं. It is your sound. Your.
Exactly. Pleasure.
Yes. Similarly, what will happen? There are certain words of the similar kind, like measure,
It's measure. It's measure.
measure, measure,
Measure.
measure, leisure,
Leisure.
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 यादव, कुछ लोग इसको मिस प्रोनाउंस करते हैं एज लेजर. नो ज साउंड, ज की साउंड नहीं है ये, ठीक है. मेजर की साउंड नहीं है. मेजर होगा MAJOR, मेजर. सो हियर इट इज नॉट मेजर, इट इज मेजर. Pleasure, leisure. Similarly, we have simple. This is the correct spelling. This is the correct pronunciation. Simple. People say simple, simple. Then construction, construction. Now, these are few examples of MTI when people are having MTI. Now comes, we are starting learning these phonetic sounds. Now, some facts, we know that there, how many letters are there? 26 letters are there in English.
Yes, ma'am.
How many sounds will be there? If we have 26 letters, then how many sounds are there?
21.
21 sounds? Okay.
26, ma'am.
No idea, ma'am.
No, I think
5
it's
vowels.
That is the art of English actually. 26 sound. We have 26 alphabets in English. Exactly. So Surya Ghosh has written here, there are 44. So you know these 44 sounds, or you have started searching on internet? कि चलो एक question आया, let's quickly Google it. Huh? Generally people do that.
Ma'am, yes, actually, he Googled it actually.
Yes. Googled. Okay, no problem. However, we have only 26 letters in English, but we have 44 sounds, which comprises of 24 consonant sounds and 20 vowel sounds. जब मैं बात कर रही हूँ 24 consonant sounds की, means कि 21 जो consonants हैं वो हमें 24 consonant sounds देते हैं, and 5 vowels. We have only 5 vowels. 5 vowels gives us these 20 vowel sounds, जिसमें से 12 sounds होती हैं जो simple monophthongs हैं, जिसमें सिर्फ एक वाल साउंड होती है, एंड 8 साउंड्स होते हैं जिसमें डिफ्थोंग्स होते हैं, जब व्हेन वी हैव 2 साउंड्स ऑफ वाल्स. आई विल टीच यू दैट हाउ यू विल बी प्रोनाउंसिंग. These are the sounds. Now, these are few sounds. If you can see there on the left hand side ना, ये alphabets नहीं है, ये consonants नहीं है. These are consonant sounds. We call it phonetic symbols. As one of you at the beginning have mentioned that we will be learning phonetic sounds, so that is appropriately right. This is how you project this sound. Yes, please. Okay, somebody's mic is unmuted and that is creating a disturbance. So
Ma'am, voice is coming.
Yes, I'll appreciate if you can mute your mic.
हम ये माहौल बनाएंगे कैसे? माहौल नहीं बन पाता. मैं फोर्स में हूँ तो हिंदी बोलना सीख गया, पंजाब का बंदा, मगर इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए माहौल कैसे बनाए मैम, पता नहीं लग रहा कुछ भी.
इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए माहौल कैसे बनाएं?
जी.
तो आप व्हाट यू कैन डू, आप एक ग्रुप क्रिएट कर सकते हो, ठीक है. आप, मैं आपको ये तो जरूर कहूंगी कि आप इंग्लिश में यू कैन वॉच दिस BBC न्यूज चैनल, पर दैट विल बी ओनली फॉर द वॉचिंग पार्ट, वो बोलने के लिए नहीं होगा. माई एडवाइस इज टू फॉर्म अ ग्रुप ऑफ 4-5 पीपल. आपके ही जैसे और लोग भी होंगे जो इंग्लिश सीखना चाह रहे होंगे बोलना. Make a group and then start learning. Pick any topic. आजकल कितना हॉट टॉपिक चल रहा है कोविड का. Pick any topic, एक टॉपिक लीजिए, उसके बारे में आप बोलना स्टार्ट करिए. This is one thing. Second, start recording your voice. जब हम अपनी वॉइस को रिकॉर्ड करते हैं ना, कुछ भी टॉपिक पे बोल के, हमें पता चलता है where we are right और where we are wrong. गलत सही का हमें पता चलता है.
इंग्लिश को
आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है, आप क्या कह रहे हैं? रिपीट करिए प्लीज.
जब मैं इंग्लिश में मतलब कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड दूंगा, जब मैं कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड करता तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं पंजाबी बोल रहा हूँ.
वो MTI है ना, क्योंकि हम ऐसे ही करते हैं. आई एम ऑल्सो पंजाबी, सो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग ना, तो मैं वो इंग्लिश के वर्ड भी पंजाबी में बोलती थी. अभी भी व्हेन आई स्टार्ट, समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस व्हेन वी आर सिटिंग विद आवर फैमिली मेंबर्स, तो पंजाबी लहजा आ जाता है, वेरी नेचुरल. But you need to do hard work.
कोशिश तो करते हैं. टाइम ऐसा है कि बाकी इतनी लंबी चौड़ी है, कुछ और UPSC की थोड़ी तैयारी चल रही है, बहुत बर्डन है पढ़ाई का. और जब
जब कुछ पाना होता है तो डेफिनेटली, है ना, जब हम कुछ हमें हार्डवर्क करना है तो हम उसके साथ ना न कर पाने के ना एक्सक्यूजेस पहले रेडी रखते हैं। मैं क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा, क्योंकि टाइम नहीं है, ये नहीं है। Now you
उन्हीं को
need to
मारने के
learn,
लिए
you need to learn time management
जैसे
also. So you need to prioritize your task. आपको टाइम मैनेजमेंट करना पड़ेगा। यू कैन, आई थिंक इतना टाइम तो हमें मिलता है कि 15-20 मिनट हम निकाल सकते हैं। 15 मिनट कम सो जाओ, ठीक है, 15 मिनट निकाल लो, रिकॉर्ड योर वॉइस, किसी को सेंड करो ताकि वो आपको करेक्ट कर पाए कि क्या आपने गलतियां करी है प्रोनाउंसिएशन में। आज somebody who is experienced, उनकी हेल्प लो।
एक क्वेश्चन और है मैम, एक मैं बताता हूँ आपको। देखो मैम, ऐसा है कि ना मैं मान लो कुछ भी टॉपिक है, कई बार हो जाता भी हाँ उस मुद्दे के ऊपर बात करूँ, तो मैं इधर उधर देखता हूँ, पूरा बैकग्राउंड देखता हूँ, कहीं भी देखता हूँ, तो मतलब मुझे उस लेवल का मिलता ही नहीं कोई, पता नहीं क्यों। सही बताऊँ, मतलब है नहीं कोई इतना पढ़ा लिखा आसपास भी, तो किससे बात करे पता नहीं लगता कभी।
आपका ये आपका ग्रुप है ना, यू कैन मेक फ्रेंड्स हियर। इट रिक्वायर्स वन इनिशिएटिव, एक इनिशिएटिव की जरूरत होती है, ठीक है। यू कैन गेट इन टच, आप ग्रुप बनाइए आपका, आप मैम से बात कर लिया, आप एक
तो अच्छा बोल लेते वो,
एक ग्रुप आपका होना चाहिए। आप 3-4 लोग इकट्ठे ग्रुप बना सकते हैं, वहां पे डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं। सो यू कैन क्रिएट, जैसे मैम ने कितना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है। Munit has given you, if you can read the chat box, he is advising you also for Discord group and all that thing. अगर करना चाहो तो बहुत सारी चीजें अवेलेबल हैं। I must appreciate ma'am that ma'am has created this platform also. You can also have a Google Meet with your friends, take their number, exchange that, form a group and start practicing. ये हमें सिर्फ एक ना इनिशिएटिव लेने की जरूरत होती है। And I think हाँ जी, क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
मैं अभी भी, मैं ड्यूटी पे, मुझे देखिए अभी मैं ड्यूटी पे रह के मतलब क्लास अटेंड कर रहा हूँ।
वेल अप्रिशिएटेड, ये तो अप्रिशिएट करने वाली बात है दैट यू आर सो ईगर टू लर्न। फाइन, कमिंग बैक टू द प्रेजेंटेशन, फाइन, now I'll teach you more sounds so that again it will help you. Now these, as I've already mentioned, these are some consonant sounds. ये sounds हैं, these are not alphabets. Now whenever you have, और आपने देखा होगा when you open the dictionary, these kind of a sounds are, these are phonetic symbols. आपको ये ना symbols लिखे हुए दिखते हैं डिक्शनरी में। तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, this is a symbol of p sound, p. Now how you project p? P is when you close your upper lips and lower lip. It is bilabial. Bilabial का मतलब होता है when you are using your two lips. अगर मैं बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बोल रही होंगी तो प्लीज मुझे थोड़ा सा इन्फॉर्म कर देना। I'll go on a slower pace. Fine. Okay. So p is it's a bilabial, p and b. These two sounds, p, b. It is pet. अब आप लोग ये देखिए, जो भी हमारी साउंड्स है ना, ये 3 पोजीशंस पे आती हैं। एक होता है इनिशियल पोजीशन, स्टार्टिंग। एक होती है आपकी मिडिल पोजीशन, सेकंड, जब आपकी कोई भी साउंड मिडिल पे आ रही है। थर्ड होता है एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड। So this is p. Whenever you have a sound which is very strong and coming at the first place, जब भी किसी word के initial place पे sound आएगी तो वो बहुत strongly project होगी। Like pet, pet. How I am projecting? I am closing my two lips and then I'm blowing the air. तो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, air को छोड़, blow कर रही हूँ mouth से, एक explosion create कर रही हूँ। Pet. And how you can check? Just put your hand in front of your mouth and say pet. So if you will feel the air here on your palm, that means your pronunciation is right. अगर वो air नहीं touch कर रही, air आपको नहीं feel हो रही, that means you are not projecting the sound clearly. Pet, paper, top. It is pet. You can also practice. You can mute your mics also, and you can practice along with me, or any one of you who can just volunteer. अगर कोई है आप में से जो volunteer करना चाहता है and want to speak. First, I will just tell you these sounds, then I'll give you a chance कि आप लोग भी इसको practice करें. So this is p sound, pet, stop.
मैम YouTube पे वगैरह,
Yes, please.
YouTube पे आप वीडियो वगैरह है कोई आपकी?
नहीं सर, अभी तो नहीं है, पर हो सकता है जल्दी आ भी जाए। Fine. So.
चलिए मैम, ठीक रहेगा। YouTube पे बना दीजिए।
Ma'am, noise is coming, disturbance.
Okay, please mute your mics. So when I'll ask you to unmute your mic, please then only unmute your mic. Okay, I'll just share the presentation again. Yes. So this is b. B sound is again, that is bet. Bet. Trouble. T. T sound, trouble. See, b is coming at the middle, so b ka kam sound aega. Trouble. Rub. It is rub. Then you have Tim. Tim. It is Tim. Then you have the. Better, hot. The. Dim, order, bad. Came. Now, C जो letter है, C alphabet gives us a k sound. Came. Talking. Back. Game. This is g sound. Game. Bigger. Back. Fur. Fur sound. How you project fur sound? Fur is a fricative. Friction होता है. So you bite your lower lip with the upper teeth. Fur. Fine. Offer. Off. Same happens with the ver sound. It is ver. Again, fur and ver are combined together. Combined together means they have the same origin. Ver. Vine. Saving. Off. Now, when you are projecting fur sound, understand when these are sounds are voiced as well as non-voiced. Voiced का मतलब होता है when you are speaking a sound. तो अगर आपके throat में you keep your hand here, when you are projecting a sound, अगर उसमें friction आ रहा है vocal cords में तो वो voiced है. Like p, p, b, p, no friction. B, there is a friction. T, d, t, no friction. D, there is a friction. K, no friction. G, there is a friction. Same happens with f and v sound. Now, this is seal, seal, so missing and face, missing, face. This is a Z sound. Zeal, zeal, crazy, crazy, face, face, show. This is a symbol of sh sound. I will teach you in detail s and sh sound. Show, pushing, rush. This is again which we have done. Measure, j sound. Measure, vision, Asia. Measure, vision, Asia. Please, I want a volunteer who will quickly go through these sounds. Is there anyone who wants to try this? Yes, yes, Ramandeep, you are audible.
Ma'am, just a moment. Ma'am, it is not visible on your screen, ma'am.
Okay, now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am. It's again, ma'am, it has gone out from the screen.
Now
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Pieces pa. Then
it is not p. It is not p. It is p sound. P.
Sound. Pa. Then b, t, d, k, and it's not visible. The next one.
It's g. Wait, I'll maximize the screen. Fine. It is g
yes,
sound.
thank you, ma'am. Yes, it is k, then g, f, v, s, z, sh, then it is y.
J sound. Very good. Now,
thank you, ma'am.
Can you please repeat these words also with the correct pronunciation?
Yes, ma'am. P, pet. B, bet. T sound, Tim. D sound, dim. K sound, came. G sound, game. F, fine. V, wine. S, seal. Z, zeal. Sh, show. Y, measure.
Measure. Very nice. Very good. So this is again a different set of consonant sounds. This symbol is of ch, choke, watching, catch. Now, those who are not aware of correct pronunciation, if you can learn these phonetic symbols also, then also you enhance your pronunciation. This is choke, choke, watching, catch, joke. Now this is a sound for j. Remember, damage, major, major is major. So the same symbol is here. Joke, damage, large, thin. Now th gives you two sounds. Always remember th. These two alphabets when comes together, this gives you two sounds. One is the sound, the, and other is the sound. The you project when you touch the tip of the tongue with the upper teeth. The, and is when you touch the upper teeth with the bridge, the upper part of the tongue. The, it is thin. Method, sound, thin. Method, both. Please repeat. Keep your mics muted and repeat with me. It is thin. Yes. Method. Both. Very nice.
Both.
So generally people misunderstand this with and the sound. So these are two different sounds. Thin.
Thin.
Yes. Method. Very nice. Both. Now comes them. Now this is the sound. Them.
Then.
Other. With. Yes. Very good. Then other with. Right. Now this is a sound which is very easy. L sound. Love. Follow. Well.
Love.
Yes.
Follow.
Follow. Well. Very nice.
Well.
Now these are three sounds: ma, n, and m. These three sounds are, we call it nasal sound. Nasal sound means that you project these sounds. There is a friction here also. Not through your nasal cavity, the sound is coming out. Male, right? Male. Human.
Mango.
Yes. Who says mango?
Mango.
Yes. This is with the n sound. Nail. Funny.
Bale.
Funny. Fine. Very nice. Now this is sing. Only tinge of n sound is there. Singer. I'll tell you one more thing. It is a hint, or you can say tip of the session I'm giving you in advance. Whenever there is a vowel sound, vowels क्या होते हैं? A, E, I, O, U. जब भी ये vowels आते हैं या vowels की sound आती है र से पहले, र sound से पहले, तो र की sound नहीं होती.
Vowels बोलना इस वर्ड को हमने VOWEL. जैसे हम जर्नली इसको हम वैसे vowels स्पीक करते हैं ना.
हाँ, ये vowels नहीं होता, ये होते हैं vowels. Yes. Now finger में क्या है? E is a vowel sound and उसके बाद र की sound है, तो हम र की sound को नहीं बोलेंगे. If you can see the symbol here also, there is no r sound. कहीं पे भी r की sound नहीं लिखी हुई.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Singer.
Yes ma'am. R is silent.
There is no sound of r. Fine.
Yes ma'am. R and D sometimes
are silent. Sometimes in certain words these are silent. Yes, please. Is there anyone who is having any question? कोई question है तो please put your question.
मैम ये अगर शीट हमें मिलेगी तो हम इसको पढ़ेंगे कैसे? बिकॉज इसमें जैसे लिखा है वॉचिंग, कोई तो ऐसे ही पढ़ सकता है वॉचिंग. सो ये पढ़ेंगे कैसे?
सर मैं आपको सिखा रही हूँ ना. आप अभी मेरे साथ आप बोलिए, उसके बाद आपको जब ये शीट मिलेगी तो you have these symbols written here. These are the symbols. At least you can practice. Fine, you can भूल जाएंगे तो make it a continuous practice.
देखना हो ना उसमें देख सकता.
सर आप बोलते नहीं, नेक्स्ट वर्कशॉप फिर लग जाएगी, कोई बात नहीं.
आप लोग प्रैक्टिस तो करना शुरू करिए. If we can see, yes, the session is productive and आप लोगों को हेल्प मिल रही है definitely. So there will be other sessions also. So first we need to take a step. आपको हाथ पकड़ने वाले बहुत मिल जाएंगे, पहले अपना हाथ बढ़ाओ कि सीखना चाहते हो.
Yes, ma'am. God also
Yes,
says,
ma'am, you are
Right?
right.
Yes. So coming to another sound, her sound, her. It is heel, perhaps. So
heal.
I think
Perhaps.
perhaps. Now
Perhaps.
comes perhaps. Perhaps. र sound नहीं आएगी, ठीक है? देखो यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी र की sound नहीं है.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
it is perhaps. Perhaps. Yes.
Perhaps.
Now comes real. र की sound आएगी क्योंकि R के बाद vowel sounds हैं. Real. अब यहाँ पे र की sound बहुत strong हो जाएगी. Real.
Real.
Real. Yes.
Real.
Correct. Correct.
Correct.
If you can see, there are two r sounds, but जो इनका phonetic symbol है इसमें सिर्फ एक ही र की sound है. क्यों?
Correct.
क्योंकि एक से पहले o की sound है. क अ की sound है. Is again a vowel sound, and r के बाद e है, again a vowel. So we are projecting only one r sound. Correct. Correct. You. Yes. It is you. You.
Also
Beyond.
was beyond.
Yes. Beyond. 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 Beyond नहीं. Beyond. Beyond. The sound. अभी हमने किया ना the sound. अभी मैम ने बोला dim. So that is the.
Beyond.
Beyond. Beyond. देखो जब भी कोई भी साउंड एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड आ रही है ना, तो हम सिर्फ एक टिंच ऑफ साउंड देते हैं, बिल्कुल जरा सी. बियॉन्ड. बियॉन्ड. और यही अगर मैं डिम बोलूंगी या डील बोलूंगी तो मैं क्या बोलूंगी? डील. डिम. बट यहाँ पे ड साउंड एट द एंड है तो मैं बोलूंगी बियॉन्ड. बस थोड़ा सा ड की साउंड आएगी. बियॉन्ड.
Beyond.
Right. Now comes again very important sound, that is W. Now W is written as V. Wa. This is a wa sound. Wa. There is a difference between V. V is. I'll show you the previous sound. Here it is. It is V. V. देखो यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे देखो, if you can see, ये जो साउंड होती है जो कि V अल्फाबेट से आती है वो होती है व की साउंड. व मैं कैसे प्रोजेक्ट कर रही हूँ? आई एम बाइटिंग माई लोअर टिप विद द अपर टीथ. व. बट सिमिलरली अगर मेरे पास W लिखा है किसी वर्ड में तो उसकी साउंड होगी व. व कैसे बनाऊंगी मैं? आई एम रोलिंग माई लिप्स. एज इफ जब विसल करते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं? वी रोल आवर लिप्स. सो दिस इज व. Wow. Any one of you who can volunteer and quickly read these words with the proper sound? Yes.
May I?
Yes, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Ch sound, choke. J sound, joke.
Right.
Thin. B. Then. L. Love. M.
L
Sorry,
this is
ma
not L.
sound. Ma sound. La sound, love.
L sound.
Ma sound, male.
Male.
Na. Nail. S. No, it is na.
No.
Sing.
No.
No.
No. Ana. Ana पता है ना?
Sing.
Ana. Yes.
हाँ जी, ana. Thank you, ma'am. Her, heel, r, real, you. It is v sound, we.
We. Yes. Very nice. Now moving ahead. Now we are coming to the vowel sound. Vowel sound. See, whenever this symbol will be there, you can find this symbol in dictionary. जब भी ये symbol आएगा, this is a very short e sound. Fit, pick, difficult. Okay, fit, pick, difficult. We do not stress on these sounds. F-I-T and F-E-E-T में फर्क होता है. F-E-E-T मतलब feet. Feet. यहाँ पे क्या है? Fit. This is fit. Very small single vowel sound. Fit.
Fit. Bit.
Fit.
Hit.
Pet. Again, short. Pat. Cut. Put. Pot. About. So these are short single vowel sounds. You know, when we are projecting vowel sounds, so I have told you, we have long vowel sounds, we have diphthongs. Diphthong means two vowel sounds. We have short single vowel sound. This is fit, pick, difficult. Pet, sent, attention. Pat, flat, family. मैंने भी कहीं भी किसी भी साउंड पे स्ट्रेस नहीं दिया है. Cut, jump, cover. Put, book, cushion. मैंने कहीं पे भी, if you can see, स्ट्रेस नहीं दे रही हूँ. Pot, dog, hospital. About, system, complete. So whenever you have a sound जो कि short a sound होती है, we call it a श्वास sound. उसमें सिर्फ a की sound आती है. About, system, right? Complete. Now these are the long sounds. I will not speak. Who will speak these sounds? Who will project these sounds? Any one of you?
May I, ma'am?
Okay.
E. Ma'am,
Sorry.
the slide has changed.
Now this one.
Yeah. Big E. Weak.
Weak.
Hard. Hook. E. No, I'm not able to predict that. E. Heard. Erd. Sound means, ma'am.
Okay.
Then
this is E sound. E. Weak. Teeth.
Yeah.
Media. Right?
Yeah.
Media.
Yeah.
So this is long E sound. Wherein here it was short E sound. Fit. Here it is weak. Feet. And now comes, it is
Teeth.
R sound. It is long R sound. Hard. Park. Article. When you are opening your mouth and then you are projecting the sound. Hard. And when here it is, you are not opening your mouth. Pet. मैंने मुंह नहीं खोला ज़्यादा sound project करने के लिए. Scent. Attention. See the mouth movement you can check. Pet. Scent. Attention. A sound है. But यहाँ पे क्या है? A sound. Hard. Park. Article. This is O. O sound. Talk. Walk. August. O sound. O कैसे करते हैं? You are rolling your lips. O. Walk. Then this is word. Heard. Word. Surface. Please, any one of you who can project these sounds. These are little difficult sounds than the earlier one.
Again,
Start from weak. That will give you practice actually.
Feet.
Weak, heart, fork, heart, boot.
Boot, yes. Oo sound. This is boot.
Boot.
Yes.
Weak, fit, media.
Feet. Put.
This is not fit.
Shirt.
This is feet.
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 Media.
Feet.
Media.
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 Yes.
Hard,
Media.
park,
Media.
article,
Article.
Folk.
Article.
Walk.
Folk.
Article.
August.
Now, hold on. There is no R sound.
Folk.
walk, August,
Folk.
Here,
Walk.
word, surface.
August.
Okay.
Head.
If you really want to improve your pronunciation, आपको ना conscious effort डालना पड़ेगा. देखो,
surface,
PAR के park नहीं होता. There is no such word park. Indianism आ गया यहाँ पे language में, accents में. This is park. R sound नहीं है इसमें कहीं पे भी. Park. Park. Article. No R sound. Article. Yes. Very nice. This is WORD is word. R sound नहीं है. Word. This is surface. Very nice. Surface. Yes. Fine. This is
Folk.
I have one query.
Yes, please, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have one query.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the word is WOOL. It is pronounced as wool or wool.
Wool. This is
Wool sound coming up, no? So I just want to make sure whether it is pronounced wool or wool.
It is wool.
Okay,
Wool.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, most welcome. Now coming to the diphthongs. Now diphthongs are when you have double vowel sound. Two vowel sounds are there. It is a, place, place, late. See, this is a, play, place, late, plate, dangerous. So these are double vowel sound. जहाँ पे दो vowel sounds glide कर रही हैं, join कर रही हैं to give a birth to another sound. वो होती है diphthongs जहाँ पे दो vowel sounds आ रही हैं. Place, late, dangerous. Now home. This is O sound. Home, phone, global. O sound. A and O sound. Home, phone, global.
Mouse.
Ow. This is ow. Mouse, brown. So this is O sound. This is O, ho. This is ow. Mouse, brown.
Mouse.
Yes.
Brown.
Accountant. Yes. Very nice. How will project this sound?
L. Excuse me, ma'am.
Clear.
Yes, please.
Clear.
Clear. Ear sound. This is ear.
Clear.
Clear. Very nice. Fear. Fear. How will you pronounce this sound? I will not speak this sound. People generally mispronounce this word.
Career.
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 Career. E-A. K sound. Career. Okay. This R sound will be prominent, but this R sound will not be there. It is ear. Career. Career. Okay. Yes. You can practice this sheet because this has a difficult sound.
Ear. Declare.
Care. It is care.
Care.
Wear.
Wear.
Declare.
Declare.
Air. Yes. Air. Air sound.
Boy. Toy.
Now. Yes.
Joy.
Enjoy.
This is oil. Oil sound. O-I-L. How you pronounce O-I-L?
Oil.
Oil. Oil. Oil. Yes. Very nice. Very wonderful. Oil. So it is boy. Toy.
Toy.
Enjoyable. Enjoyable. You know what happened? जब आप initially learn कर रहे हैं ना ये sound, तो आपको ना when you practice आपको jaw line में ना stress feel होगा. Right now तो आप एक words बोल रहे हैं, but when you start practicing this spontaneously, you are doing jaw exercise. तो यहाँ पे आपके jaw line में ना stress feel होता है. And initially आपको थोड़ा difficult लगता है, but gradually when you learn these sounds, so it is very easy. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा and you are pronouncing it correctly. So it is boy, toy, yes, enjoyable,
Fine.
fine. A-I is I, fine,
Wine.
tiger. Now
Tiger.
there is no need to put any accent. मैं आपको accent नहीं सिखा रही हूँ, तो कहीं पे भी accent लाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है? Normally neutralized accent है ये. It is tiger. No r sound. Tiger नहीं है. No tiger. Tiger.
Tiger.
Tiger. Tiger. Yes.
True.
Very nice.
Tall.
True.
Tua.
Poor.
Yes, is ua sound. Tua.
Pure.
Pure. Mature.
Mature.
Mature. R sound यहाँ पे आएगा because it is again vowel sound and vowel sound. So it is tua,
Pure.
mature. Yes.
Mature.
Please practice this sheet once, everyone, so that you can enhance your pronunciation. Place, late, dangerous.
Plate.
Play.
Dangerous.
Dangerous.
Home,
Home.
phone,
Phone.
global.
Care.
Phone. Global.
Yes. Mouse. Oh,
Mouse.
Mouse.
Brown.
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 Brown. Account.
Accountant.
Account.
Accountant. Yes.
Clear.
Accountant.
Clear.
Cleo. Feel.
Clear.
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 Carry.
Cleo.
Career.
Career.
Very nice. Career.
Career.
Care.
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 Clear.
Care.
Wear.
Wear.
देखो अब ये ही नहीं है, ये व है. Wear.
Wear. Wear.
Wear.
Voyeur.
Declare.
Declare.
Declare. Very nice.
Declare.
Boy.
Declare.
Toy.
Toy.
Joy.
Enjoy.
Boy.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Enjoyable.
Find.
Kind.
Bite.
Fine.
Fine.
Bite.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Tiger. Very nice. Pure.
Chew.
Oh.
Pure.
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 Mature.
Mature.
Measure.
Pure.
Very good. Very nice. Now comes स sound. अब I told you कि मैं स और श आपको सिखाऊंगी कि कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें हम बहुत ज्यादा मिस्टेक्स करते हैं. Specifically people who are from UP. Fine. People who are from UP and people who are from South. तो उनको स श की इशू होती ही होती है ज्यादातर. Now स साउंड कैसे लिखते हैं? आपको डिक्शनरी में स साउंड का सिंबल ये मिलेगा, फोनेटिक साउंड का. ठीक है, ये अनवॉइस्ड होती है. मींस अब मैंने यहाँ हाथ रखा थ्रोट पे और मैं अगर बोल रही हूँ तो मुझे कोई फ्रिक्शन नहीं होगा. स ऐसा कोई फ्रिक्शन नहीं हो रहा. री, जब मैं जेड की साउंड निकालूंगी तो फ्रिक्शन है. यस, री में फ्रिक्शन हो रहा है, स में फ्रिक्शन नहीं है. अब ये प्रोजेक्ट कैसे करना है? स साउंड. The tip of the tongue should be close to the upper back side of the top front teeth. अब मैं आपको पिक्चर से समझा रही हूँ कैसे. This is the tip of the tongue. This is, we call it a blade of the tongue. ठीक है. This is your top teeth. This is lower teeth. Top teeth के पीछे जो ये skin वाला एरिया होता है, we call it a ridge. Upper teeth, ridge. Upper ridge. ये होता है upper ridge. अब when you are projecting a s sound, tip of the tongue should be close to the upper back side of the top front teeth. The tongue is kept tense and is pushed between a small groove. Small groove hota hai, that is a space. If you can see here, this is a small groove. Fine, ये छोटी सी जो जगह है जहां से एयर बाहर निकलती है. Now project s. S gives you a snake wala sound. So स के लिए मैंने क्या किया? मैंने टिप ऑफ द टंग को अपने जो अपर टीथ है उनके पीछे लेके आई, रिज के पास, अपर रिज के पास, एंड मैंने जो है ब्लो करी वो एयर फ्रॉम माय माउथ. इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द ग्रूव. ग्रूव होते छोटी सी जो जगह है आपके अपर टीथ और टिप ऑफ द टंग के बीच में. So your voice, you're blowing air from this area. So words are said, sad, sit, box, bus, cat, space, and circle. It is giving you a hissing sound like snake. जब हमने किसी को डराना होता है, बचपन में हम किसी को डराते थे तो क्या करते थे ना कि snake आ गया. Now there are certain words for practicing of s sound. I want you, any one of you who has not attempted, पहले जिसने unmute नहीं किया है, please any one of you take the charge and speak these words with the s sound. Sorry, this s sound. Any one of you?
Nail.
Yes, please.
Snake.
Okay. Okay, I think now you'll be able to. Yes, it is. What is this word?
Nail.
Snail.
Snail.
Snail. What is this?
Square.
Snort.
Snack.
Snack.
Snail. Snack.
Snack.
What is this?
Null.
Sack.
Smell.
R sound है. R sound आएगी क्या?
Square.
See,
No, ma'am, R is silent.
अगर English. Yes, R sound will not be there. It is null.
No.
No.
Null.
Snack.
Snort.
Snack.
No.
Snatch.
Snap.
Move.
Snoop.
What is this?
Snoop.
Snoop. No,
Not.
oo sound. Snoop. Not. Very
Snoop.
nice. Not. Very good.
Not.
Not.
This is
Snake.
Sneak.
sneak. E.
Sneak.
Long E sound as sneak.
Sneak.
Nick.
Nip.
This
Nip.
is
Snake.
snip.
Nag.
Snip.
Snip.
Snack.
Nag.
Snob.
Snag. Snow.
No.
Snarl.
Snuggle.
Snuggle.
Snuggle. Very nice.
Snooze.
Smooth.
Snooze.
Sniff.
No. No.
No.
Snooze.
Snooze.
Snort.
No snooze. Snooze.
Snooze.
Snonny. Snooze. Who sound? Snooze.
Snooze.
Very nice. Then what about this word?
Sniffle.
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 Snow.
Snoop.
Snow.
Snooze.
Snout.
Snout.
Snow.
Snout. Ow sound. Snout. Very nice. Now this one.
Stamp. Stamp.
Stamp.
Step. Stack.
Staff.
Stand.
Stay.
Stay. Steal.
Steel.
Steal.
Stitch.
Stitch.
Okay, what is this word? STEER. What is this?
Steer.
How you pronounce this word?
Steer.
Steer.
Steer. Right? Double E means long E sound.
Steer.
Steer.
Tio.
Very nice.
Stitch.
Stitch.
Still.
Till.
Steam.
Team.
Stone.
Stone.
Stop.
Stem.
Stamp.
State.
State.
How you pronounce this? STONE?
Stone.
Something else pronounce
Stone.
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 Stone. Okay.
Spoon.
This
Spoon.
Space. Space.
Pie.
Space.
Pear.
Spike. Spike.
Sparkle.
Spy.
Spear.
pie.
Pen.
Pie.
Pear. Pen.
Sparkle.
Spin.
Pear.
Spoon.
Buck.
Ace. Spinach. Spa. Spark. Reed.
Okay. How you will pronounce this word? This. SPIN and STINE. How you will pronounce this word?
Spine.
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 This spin and spine. Very nice. Spin, spine.
Spine. Spine.
Spine.
Spoon.
Yes, spine.
Spine. Spin.
Spine.
Spa.
Okay.
Spark. And
Spark. Speak.
speak.
Now, as there is S sounds, there is also a Z sound. Now, Z is zip, exist, buzz, voice, his, was, and is. It is a buzzing B sound. जो B एक sound निकालती है, bzzz करती है, that is that Z sound. Again, there are certain words, and you may please try speaking these words also. Yes.
My picture is not clear.
Beginning. Zoo. Zebra.
Zoo. Zebra.
Zero.
Zero.
Zoom.
Zoom.
Zebra fish.
Zebra. Fish.
Zucchini. Zap. Zippy.
Zucchini.
Zing. Zinc.
Zinc.
Zoe.
Zig.
Zinnia.
Zig.
Zelda.
Zinnia.
Zookeeper.
Zelda.
Okay. So as the Z sound is coming at the beginning, so this is zoo, zebra, zero, zoom, zebrafish, zucchini, zap, zippy, zing, zinc, zoo, Zoe. It is Zoe, Xenia.
Zoe.
Yes, Zelda, zookeeper, and zigzag. So the Z sound is very strong here because the Z sound is coming in the beginning of the word. Now comes when the sound is at the middle of the word. Music, present,
Music.
Present.
Puzzle. Poison.
Poison.
Blizzard.
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 Cheesecake. Cousin. Desert. Wizard.
Desert.
Lizard.
Lizard.
Wizard.
Noisy. fizzy,
Wheezy,
fuzzy,
thirsty,
thirsty,
lazy,
lazy, magazine,
Magazine.
This is wizard. This is
Wizard.
lizard. Lizard
Lizard.
नहीं होगा. This is
Lizard.
lizard.
lizard,
Wizard. Noisy.
Noisy.
Fuzzy.
Fuzzy.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Lazy.
Thursday, lazy,
Magazine.
magazine,
Magazine. Yes. Magazine. Magazine. j नहीं है. There is no j. This is z sound. Magazine.
Magazine.
Yes. Now comes
Cheese.
And
when
cheese, peas,
Cheese.
trees, boys,
Freeze.
knees, nose, hose, rose, babies, dogs, cookies, fingers, flowers, sunrise,
sunrise,
Pizza.
sunrise.
cheese, please, peas, boys, knees, no, hose, rose, babies, dogs, cookies, fingers, flowers, sunrise. Okay, this is clear. Now, I want
Yes, ma'am.
you to please give me the pronunciation. I'm sorry, by mistake I did that. I'm giving you one spelling, that is R-I-C-E. If you have this R-I-C-E, how you will pronounce?
right, right,
Right.
Rice.
Right.
right,
What is the sound at the end? Is it a sound of sir or is it a sound of a z? Rise or rice?
Sir. Rice.
ma'am, please repeat.
Right.
Ma'am, Z sound.
Z sound. Okay. I am saying R-I-C. I'm writing here in the chat box. If the word is R-I-C-E, what will be the
Rice.
sound at the end?
Rice.
Rice.
Rice,
rice,
S sound, ma'am.
Rice.
Yes.
S sound,
That sound.
Very nice. Now R-O-S-E. What will be the sound?
rose,
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 At the end there is three sound. Now why I'm
rose,
rose? Why I have said this? Understand, whenever there is a word which is ending with CE, तो हमेशा स sound आएगा. ठीक है? जब भी कोई word है जिसके end में CE आ रहा है तो स sound आएगा. जब भी कोई word है जिसके end में SE आ रहा है तो Z sound आएगा. तब स sound नहीं आएगा.
rose,
Like चीज. तो चीज में क्या होता है? SE आ रहा है end में तो वो बन जाएगा Z. चीज. वो चीज स साउंड नहीं आएगा वहां पे. ठीक है? तो दिस इज वन डिफरेंस व्हिच वी नीड टू लर्न. जहां पे भी एस ही है एट द एंड में स साउंड, जहां पे भी जिस भी वर्ड के एंड में एस ई है, लाइक प्लीज, तो ये ज साउंड होगा. प्लीज नहीं होगा. So there is mispronunciation. Candidates do this mistake. They say please. No please. Just please. Please. We know हमने per sound already learn कर लिया है. Per sound क्या कहते हैं? Per. Please. Please. तो अभी हमने क्या किया? हमने per sound learn किया, हमने ल sound learn किया और हमने e sound learn किया. हमें पता चल गया se आता है तो z sound है. It becomes please, freeze, boys, knees, nose, hose, rose, babies, dogs, cookies, fingers, flowers, and sunrise. I hope Z sound is clear. अगर Z sound clear है, then मैं आगे चलती हूँ and I'll tell you the sh sound. Is it clear till
Okay,
this
ma'am.
sound? Okay, thank you.
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now
Thank you, ma'am.
sh sound. अब हम क्या गड़बड़ करते हैं श और स में? आपने देखा होगा
SH और
कई
CH
बारी हम लोग ये मिस्टेक करते हैं. What we do now, there is again a clarification how we project sh, s में मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? मैं अपने अपर टीथ और लोअर टीथ को ज्वाइन किया, टिप ऑफ द टंग को क्लोज लेके आई अपर टीथ की बैक साइड पे रिज पे, देन मैंने ब्लो की एयर, तो बन गया स। जब मैंने श बोलना है तो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, आई एम वाइड ओपन माई लिप्स, ओपन किए, अपर टीथ एंड लोअर टीथ को मैंने ज्वाइन किया टुगेदर। नाउ जो वॉइस है, जो एयर है, वो कहां से आ रही है, कहां से आ रही है, कॉर्नर, कॉर्नर ऑफ द लिप्स, तब वो बीच में से नहीं आ रही, श श श। अंडरस्टैंड, जो ग्रूव बनता है, जो सेंटर पे पोजीशन बनती है एयर फ्लो करने की, वो पहले से ज्यादा है, एंड योर एयर इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ कॉर्नर्स आल्सो एंड एट द मिडल आल्सो। So here is again a projection. Again it is happening. Now tip of the tongue is at the back of your teeth, but here the gap is more. यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, गैप मोर है, और एयर जो है वो साइड से भी निकल रही है, भी करते हैं ना, हम कहते हैं ना चुप रहो, सो चुप रहो करने के लिए हम क्या करते थे, कीप क्वाइट, so that is the same. Who will pronounce, who will speak these words? Shabby,
Shag,
Shabby.
shade,
Shadow.
shaft, shaggy, shake, shell, shame, sham,
Share.
shape, shear, shark, sheep,
Shadow.
sheep,
Sam.
bash,
Stop.
blush,
Shampoo.
gash,
Shoe.
dash, dish, fish, slash, hush, mash, mesh, rash, rush, slash, statch, wish.
Okay. अब आप लोगों ने क्या किया, कुछ तो सही बोली वो साउंड्स, कुछ में आपने गड़बड़ कर दिया। दिस इज शैबी, शैबी, ए साउंड है, शैबी, शैगी, शेप, ए साउंड, यहाँ पे आ गई ए साउंड, शैबी, शैगी, शेप, शार्क, शेक, शेयर, शेड, शेल, शार्क, शार्क, नो र साउंड, शैडो, shame, sheep, shaft, shampoo, sheep. This is bash, bash, B-A-S-H is bash. Fish, rash, blush, flesh, rush, cash, hush, slash, dash, mash, stash, dish, very sound, less E sound, dish, mesh, and wish. This is not we, this is wish. Please repeat this sh sound because it is important. Shabby, shaggy, shaggy,
Saggy. Sap.
Shabby,
shaggy,
shabby,
shake,
Sack.
sheet, shadow, shaft,
right,
shaggy, shake, shell, shame, shampoo, shape, shear, shark, she, sheep,
right. Bash,
bash,
fish,
blush,
bash. This is
bash,
bash.
blush, gash, dash, dish, fish, flash, hush, mash, mesh, rash, rush, slash, stash, wish.
No, wish नहीं है, V होता है v, wish. It is wish. Wish. Yes. Wish. Shadow. Shabby. Bash. Blush. Flesh. Right? Hush.
Okay, ma'am.
Mash. Fine. So these are sure sound. Do not misunderstand the sure sound word with the sir. Sir अलग होता है, sure अलग है. Now comes v and wo. I'll just check if this is working here. Okay, I think it will give you more practice. So this is V. V is when I'm biting my lower lip with the upper to top teeth. V. And W is when my lips are rounded. So this is how you will pronounce this before me. Who will take the charge and who will speak these words?
Vent, vent. West,
Vent,
west.
vent. West, west.
Wet. Very, very. Worse, worse. Weak, weak. Wide, wide. Wine, wine. Woe, woe.
Okay. It is V. V is V.
V.
Yes.
V.
We. Went, went, went. West, west.
West.
Wet, wet.
Wet.
Very, very.
Very.
Worse, worse. Wick,
Wick.
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 While,
While.
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 Wine, wine. Woe, wow. Fine.
Ma'am,
So,
these words are homophones words, na?
yes. Do you think these are homophones?
Yes, ma'am. I speak.
Yes, please.
Harkamal, ma'am.
Yes, please. Now, homophone, what is the meaning of homophones?
Same sound, but
Same sounds.
But
Different
Spellings
meaning.
different, sound same.
Same meaning
But-
different, but sound is same.
Okay. I'll give you one word. M-A-L-E. How you pronounce?
male.
Male.
Right? M-A-I-L. How you will pronounce? कैसे pronounce करेंगे?
Male.
Male.
तो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? दोनों की साउंड मेल आ रही है, बट यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? साउंड डिफर है. ये वेरी है और ये वेरी है. वेरी, वेरी. वर्स, वर्स. विक, विक. वाइल, वाइल. वाइन, वाइन. वो, wow.
Whoa.
Like sun.
H-E-R-E कैसे pronounce करेंगे?
H-E.
What, ma'am?
H-E-R-E.
H-E-R, here.
H-E-R-E and H-A-R-E.
Here, Khargosh.
Here. Khargosh.
So these are homophones when you have different spelling, but the similar spelling, similar sound. Sorry, similar sound. But here, spellings are different and the sounds are also different. This is V sound and this is V. Hindi wala V and V. I'll understand, make you understand. हिंदी अगर किसी ने पढ़ी है तो हम हिंदी में व लिखते हैं. जब व के बाद हम दो बिंदु लगा देते हैं वो व बन जाता है. So that is a similar sound. V and V. Okay, if you want, I can play this also. Fine. So this is a difference. V and V. Now, this is fur sound. Fur. I will not give you the whole information because now fur sound is क्या होता है fur में? Again, this is like just a V sound. Fur.
White. Knife.
Yes. So there are certain words which are having PH at the beginning, PH at the end, and GF. So these are the uniqueness of the sounds. And what happens is that, again, that gives you a fur sound. Foe, wife, knife,
Foe.
life,
Wife.
family.
Knife. Life. Family. Stuff.
Very good. Very nice.
Phone.
Stop.
Graph.
Enough.
Enough.
Enough. Yes. So
Enough.
I guess this was easy for you. Now there is tongue twisters. Now one of you have asked me to how you can enhance your fluency. These are the tongue twisters. You can find n number of tongue twisters on internet. Now when you start practicing, you enhance your fluency level. For example, the first one, I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Very easy one. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. You can repeat this several times and just check on a regular basis if you are using tongue twisters. It's actually enhancing your fluency levels. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? So that is a question mark. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. The famous one. She sells seashells by the seashore. So anyone who would like to practice this?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? She sells
Very nice.
seashells by the seashore. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Okay. It seems that you are in a continuous practice of using tongue twisters. ऐसा है कुछ? You are
No,
practicing
no. It's been like 10 years. 10 years of I did.
Okay. So ultimately, when we start these kind of a tongue twisters, it helps us to enhance our pronunciation. Any one of you who also like to practice, you will find a number other tongue twisters also on the internet. Anyone who is having a search or issue, then you can please go for this one. She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells by the seashore.
Okay, once again.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells.
She
Seashells by the seashore.
Okay.
She sells
seashells by the seashore.
Seashells by the seashore.
by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore. So what we do, we interchange. We say she sells. She sells. So that is incorrect. You may practice again. She sells seashells by the seashore. Yes. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Fuzzy Wuzzy. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? So start using these tongue twisters. I think it will definitely help you that you will start enhancing your fluency level. Now, again apart, these are few words which are being mispronounced by the people. Now, how you will pronounce this? Now, this calls for word stress. Fine, intonation.
Wednesday.
Determine.
Okay, so in Wednesday, there is no D. D is silent. We always speak Wednesday. Wednesday. What about this?
Determine.
Oh. So it is not determine, it is determine. Determine. No determine. Determine. What about this?
Technology.
What about this one?
Technology.
So,
Technology.
now practice.
Technology.
This is technology. Technology नहीं है, technology. So we are giving test no technology. Yes. So there are rules, but I have not included that rules because then the session will be of at least 3 to 4 hours easily. So I have just written this because I will give you the information. Now, information is whenever you have words which ends with GY at the end, like technology. He gives stress to the third last syllable. You know, syllables क्या होते हैं? Syllables होता है when किसी भी word में जितने number of vowel sounds हैं. For example, here if I'm talking about how many vowel sounds are there?
5.
One.
A, E, I, O, U.
I'm saying there are vowels. I'm talking about vowel sounds. इस वर्ड में टेक्नोलॉजी में कितनी साउंड आ रही है वाल की? वाल साउंड कितनी आ रही है? 44। इस टेक्नोलॉजी वर्ड में कितनी वाल साउंड्स आ रही हैं?
3
हाउ? कैसे 3? डिवाइड करके बताओ ना। जब छोटे थे हम क्या करते थे? 4। हम जब छोटे थे तो हमें वर्ड दिया जाता था, हमें बोला जाता था इसकी करेक्ट स्पेलिंग, देयर इज अ स्पेल बी, दिस इज एन गेम आल्सो, सो देयर इज अ वर्ड, व्हाट वी डू, वी डिवाइड द वर्ड इनटू डिफरेंट साउंड्स। ऐसे ही करते हैं, हम ब्रेक करते हैं वर्ड को, कोई नया वर्ड भी मिलता है तो क्या करते हैं, ब्रेक करते हैं। तो दिस इज नाउ टेक। टेक में क्या आ रहा है? TECH। टेक में एक ही साउंड है वाल की, टेक। टेक नो लॉजी। टेक्नोलॉजी 4 सिलेबल है, ये 4 सिलेबल है, GY है एट द एंड। सो जो थर्ड सिलेबल होगा ना, लास्ट फ्रॉम द थर्ड सिलेबल, हम उस पर स्ट्रेस देंगे, इट विल बिकम टेक्नोलॉजी। टेक्नोलॉजी। नो पे हम साउंड पे ज्यादा स्ट्रेस देंगे, एंड टेक एंड लॉजी पे हम कम स्ट्रेस देंगे, इट विल बिकम टेक्नोलॉजी। So this is the correct pronunciation, technology, and no technology. Technology नहीं है, ये technology है। Now comes very easy one, ये सबको आता होगा, I know.
Video.
Very nice. So this is not video, it is video. Why? This is a 3 syllable word, video. VDO. This is video. Yes. What about this one? इसके ऊपर बहुत सारी डिबेट्स भी हो जाती हैं।
Data.
Oh, very nice. So the correct pronunciation is data. Day. It is a 2 vowel sounds. Diphthong है ये. Diphthong है. Data. Data. This is data. This is no data, no data. Data भी नहीं है. This is data. A sound है. If you can.
Data.
Yes, very nice. Data. Now, this one is again mispronounced.
Woman.
Okay.
It's women.
Women.
When now, if instead of this word I have written WOMAN, तो क्या pronunciation बनती?
Woman.
Then it will be woman. Yes. Now because this is a plural form of woman, so ये बन जाएगा women. Very nice. It will become women. Yes. So current pronunciation is women. Yes. वुमेन तब होगा जब सिंगुलर होगा, जब एक लेडी की बात हो रही है, देन इट इज वुमेन, अदरवाइज इट इज women. Okay, give me a
ball.
Give me a bowl of soup.
Okay, bowl.
Bowl का क्या होगा?
Ball.
This is bowl, this is bowl, this is ball. क्या है एक्चुअली ये?
Bowl.
Done? पक्का?
Yes.
This is bowl.
Bowl.
Bowl नहीं होता, ठीक है? This is bowl. Give me a bowl of soup. So it is bowl. Give me a bowl filled with popcorns. So it is always bowl. How you will pronounce? Bowl. ज्यादा ओ पे स्ट्रेस दोगे तो हो जाएगा, तो बॉल बन जाएगा। बॉल नहीं चाहिए हमें, बोल चाहिए। बोल। वेरी नाइस। What about this? बहुत कॉमनली हम बचपन से मिस्टेक करते आते हैं।
February.
It's fabric.
It is
February.
It is February. Break it into three syllables. February. Please speak, please practice. These are very common words जो हम डेली लाइफ में यूज करते हैं और गलत प्रोनाउंस करते हैं और हमारी प्रोनाउंसिएशन को फिर गलत कहा जाता है, दैट यू हैव कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इशू, दैट इज February. February. Yes.
February.
February.
Violence.
February नहीं है, February नहीं है, February. February नहीं बोलना है.
February.
Violence.
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 Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please.
यस मैम, एक वर्ड होता है SCHEDULE. कभी हम इसको स्केजुअल बोलते हैं, कभी जो कभी लोग होते हैं वो इसे शेड्यूल भी बोलते हैं. वो राइट फॉर्म क्या है इसकी?
दोनों राइट है. इसकी करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन होती है, एक होती है स्केड्यूल, नो स्केड्यूल और शेड्यूल दोनों ही करेक्ट हैं. स्केड्यूल एंड शेड्यूल. शेड्यूल इज इंडियन, ठीक है, इंडियन है ये, और ये भी एक्सेप्टेड हो चुकी है प्रोनाउंसिएशन. पहले क्या होता था, दोज पीपल हु वांट टू नो ना, हु वांट टू शो ऑफ कि मुझे एक्सेंट अच्छा आता है और मेरी प्रोनाउंसिएशन अच्छी है, they have started using it as a schedule. So schedule is also right and schedule is also right. Similarly, education and education. If you have seen, some people say education, some people say education. So it is schedule. Schedule nahi hai, schedule. Schedule.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please repeat it.
Schedule. Schedule. Schedule.
Ma'am, same with IELTS.
Schedule.
Yes, yes, sir.
Same with IELTS. IELTS.
IELTS. Okay. Some people say IELTS and some say IELTS. So it is IELTS. It is not IELTS. IELTS. Yes. IELTS. And this is schedule. Schedule.
Schedule.
Yes. Schedule.
Schedule.
Yes. और यू कैन से शेड्यूल. अगर आपने ज्यादा ही किसी को इम्प्रेस करना है एंड यू वांट टू शो कि हाँ भाई मैंने कुछ सीखा हुआ है, मुझे अच्छी इंग्लिश आती है, तो इट विल बिकम एक्चुअली schedule or schedule. Yes, both are right.
Schedule.
Yes. Similarly, education, education, both are correct. Education and education, both are correct.
Education or
And
education.
Education, yes, both are correct. But again, here there is a rule. जब भी किसी वर्ड के एंड में शन साउंड आएगी, ठीक है, TION की साउंड होगी ना, शन साउंड, तो उससे पहले वाला सिलेबल जो है उसको हम स्ट्रेस करेंगे, लाइक एजुकेशन, एजुकेशन, so it will become K.
Education.
Education, yes, education.
Education.
Yes.
Education or education.
Education, both are correct.
Both are same.
Yes, both are correct.
Okay.
Now
Thank
comes, most welcome. Now this is another word.
Violence.
Is it violence? Violence, 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 क्या होगा ये?
Violence.
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 Sure? Sure, this is violence?
Yes, ma'am. Lock कर दो.
Violence.
Okay, lock कर दिया, but ये गलत है. I'm sorry that you have lost your money. So this is violence. Okay.
No,
Violence.
नहीं बताया था हमने.
Not
Violence.
violence. Violence.
Violence.
Violence. What about this?
Iron.
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 Is iron.
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 Iron नहीं, iron.
Iron. Iron. Yes. Very
Iron.
nice.
Receipt.
This one.
It's a receipt.
Receipt.
Very nice. Who said it is receipt?
Yeah, me, ma'am.
Very nice. Wonderful, ma'am. It is actually receipt. Yes, yes.
Receipt.
Yeah.
Receipt or recept.
No, no receipt. Receipt नहीं होता. It is receipt.
What about receipt?
हिंदी में आप
Why
रसीद बोल
people
सकते हो.
mostly say receipt, receipt?
No,
Receipt.
it is receipt.
It is not receipt. No. Why we mispronounce words? एक तो lack of knowledge होती है. For the very first time, जैसे ही उन्होंने perceive किया, किसी से गलत सुना, and they have imbibed that. हम भी ऐसे ही करते हैं ना, अगर हम किसी से गलत प्रोनाउंसिएशन सुनते हैं और हमें उसके बारे में नॉलेज नहीं है, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, हम रसीद बोलेंगे, रिसिप्ट बोलेंगे. So there is no
Receipt.
four sound. It's just
Right
receipt.
word is receipt.
Receipt. Right pronunciation is receipt.
Receipt.
Yes, receipt is a right. What about this word?
Heart.
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 It's heart, ma'am.
Heart. Heart.
Sometimes what happens when you say I have a pain in my heart, so it sounds, you are saying HURT, so
Hurt.
it is, again, it is heart, no r sound.
Heart.
Heart.
So my heart is paining, it is heart. Okay, my heart is broken, or you have made my heart happy, it is heart. Now this one, everyone is scared of these people.
Police.
Police. Okay.
Police.
Okay.
Police.
Okay.
Police.
This is police.
Police.
No
Police.
who sound नहीं आएगी इसमें. It is police.
Police.
Right? Police. Yes. Police नहीं है. Police नहीं. Police. This is
Police.
Coca.
What about this one?
Coca.
Okay.
Cocoa.
Okay. We use this cocoa powder. This is cocoa. We use this cocoa powder to make chocolates, to add flavor to our hot chocolate, right? And to have, if you are having a hot coffee, cold coffee, what we do, we add cocoa powder. So A is silent. A नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे. It is cocoa powder. Cocoa. Co, the initial co sound will be prominent. The second co sound will be less prominent.
Cocoa.
No cocoa. Cocoa powder. Cocoa powder होता है, right?
Cocoa powder.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Almond.
It's almond.
Almond.
कितने बेसिक वर्ड्स हैं ना जो हम डेली लाइफ में यूज करते हैं और हम गलत यूज करते हैं. Almond. No L sound. Almond. L sound नहीं है. Almond. L sound नहीं है. Almond oil. Very nice. You need to have 4, 5, 6 almonds daily.
Yes, ma'am. इसका शीट वगैरह कुछ मिल सकता है मैम?
क्या चीज चाहिए सर आपको? I think ma'am will have this presentation, so I think they will be uploading somewhere. You can check with the ma'am then.
मैम एक वर्ड
because थोड़ा बार-बार we need to do the practice ना, तो
yes,
improve हो जाएगा. That's it.
Definitely. See, you will be practicing these things and definitely you can take my words. 21 days का एक होता है ना कि 21 days you practice something, it become your habit. तो आप 21 days भी थोड़ा भी practice करोगे, you will improve on your pronunciation.
Actually.
मैम एक वर्ड.
Boutique.
Okay. So this is an activity exercise for you. Let's see how many of you can pronounce these words correctly.
Often.
Pizza.
How many of you are pizza lovers?
Everyone.
Everyone, I think.
But it is too costly.
Okay. Now,
Pizza.
चलो check करते हैं what is the actually pronunciation. Actual pronunciation is often. So
Boutique.
it is boutique. Who sound है? Boutique. Chaos. Do not create chaos here. Okay, chaos. Mischievous.
Chaos.
Yes, chaos. Mischievous. Sweet. And it is pizza.
Sweet.
No,
दो अलग वर्ड लग रहे हैं.
Pizza.
लग रहे हैं?
Suit और sweet दो अलग वर्ड लग रहे हैं. Suit, sweet.
Actually, we call it sweet. We do not call it suit.
Sweet.
Suit होता है when you wear that your 2-piece, 3-piece suit. Fine. This is sweet. जो actual pronunciation होती है.
Sweet.
And sweet तो फिर
Sweet होटल वाला.
So when you go to hotel and you book a suite, you do not book a suit there. You book a suite there.
Sweet.
Now you got an idea? It is
Yes, ma'am.
often, boutique, chaos, mischievous, sweet, pizza.
Pizza. Sweet.
Boutique,
Pizza.
chaos, mischievous,
Pizza. Pizza.
Pizza. No pizza.
often,
P sound is there. Pizza. Pizza.
Pizza.
pizza,
Yes. Often,
Pizza.
boutique, chaos, mischievous,
Often, boutique,
sweet,
chaos,
pizza.
mischievous, sweet, pizza.
Fine. Wonderful. Now, the last topic and the wonderful topic, intonation. Now, intonation क्या होती है? The way you are speaking. It is nothing to आप क्या बोल रहे हो नहीं है. The way you are speaking. Now, in your intonation, दो pattern होते हैं. That is falling intonation and rising. Falling intonation कब आता है? When you are asking something, ठीक है, जिसका आंसर yes or no में नहीं होता. Falling tone तब होगी when you are starting at a high rate और आपकी जो tone जो है वो नीचे जा रही है at the end. So when you ask any question, which is again have a elaborative answer, so it will have a falling tone. And give an example. Where are you going? Where are you going? So where is having a high tone and it is going to falling tone. Where are you going? Then rising tone कब होती है? When you are asking a question जिसका आंसर आपको yes or no में मिलता है. Or sometimes you ask this, you use this rising tone to show your anger also. जब आप गुस्से में होते हैं तो आप क्या करते हैं? आप you start at a normal tone, but आपकी जो tone है वो बहुत high हो जाती है.
Change हो
So
जाती है.
yes, change हो जाती है. So we should know about falling tone and rising tone. I have written this sentence, and this is the last practice. After this, I will take your questions. Now, this is one thing, one statement. I never said she stole my money. In a very monotonous, normal tone, I will say, I never said she stole my money. But if I am putting stress on I, what will be the meaning? I never said she stole my money. तो क्या meaning होगा इसका?
मैंने कभी बोला नहीं कि उसने मेरा
मैंने ये नहीं बोला कि उसने मेरे पैसे चुराए हैं.
पैसे चुराए हैं.
Okay.
मैंने कभी नहीं बोला कि उसने मेरे पैसे चुराए हैं.
पैसे चुराए.
I never said, मैंने नहीं बोला कि उसने मेरे पैसे चुराए हैं. She stole my money.
She never stole.
Same statement, different tones.
Yes, exactly. Wonderful, wonderful. Same statement, but जब हम इसमें word stress different words पे डालते हैं तो उस sentence का meaning change हो जाता है. I never said she stole my money. मैंने नहीं बोला कि उसने मेरे पैसे चुराए हैं, but कोई है जो बोला है, ठीक है ना? मैं नहीं हूँ वो. Then I is normal. I never said she stole my money. मैंने ये कभी नहीं बोला. One of you said that कि उसने मेरे पैसे चुराए हैं. I never said she stole my money. I never said she stole my money. I never said she stole my money. किसी ने मेरे पैसे चुराए हैं, but वो ही है, ये मैंने नहीं बोला. I never said she stole my money. मैंने बोला है, मैंने उसके बारे में बात करी है, पर मैंने ये नहीं बोला कि उसने मेरे पैसे चुरा लिए. Understand?
Tone is different person to person.
Tone is different and meaning is different. I never said she stole my money. मैंने बोला है कि उसने पैसे चुराए हैं, पर मैंने ये नहीं बोला कि उसने मेरे पैसे चुराए हैं. उसने तो राजू के, उसने तो मे बी यहाँ पे कोई होगा, अमित होगा, उसके पैसे चुराए होंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? टोन स्ट्रेस में अलग अलग वर्ड पे दे रही हूँ तो उसका मीनिंग अलग हो रहा है. I never said she stole my money. मैंने बोला है I never said कि उसने मेरे पैसे चुराए. मे बी उसने मेरा पर्स चुरा लिया होगा, मे बी उसने मेरा बैग चुराया है, उसने मेरा मोबाइल चुरा लिया है, बट उसने मेरे पैसे चुराए हैं ये मैंने नहीं बोला. अंडरस्टैंड?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Most welcome, most welcome. Now with this we
You
are
helped us most attractive way, peaceful way, playful way. No words for me, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now that brings to the question answer session. Ask your questions if you have any doubt, anything. I'll be happy to help you out.
first of all, ma'am, I
I
would
am
like
very
to
happy
thank you.
from you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Most welcome, ma'am. Most welcome.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. It means to lot for me, all of us.
Wow, thank you so much. It was my pleasure that ma'am has, I must thank Navneet ma'am, that ma'am has given me this opportunity to come here and interact with you. And you being a
We are
wonderful and
so lucky
participative
students
audience.
of.
Yes,
Ma'am,
I must say.
thanks to you on the behalf of all the students and the distance education department. And we really thank you that you actually accepted our invitation to be as a resource person, because this topic was totally new, and for the first time we did any workshop on this topic. And the response of the students was really very good. I was so happy to see that. And the way you told each and everything, and even we as a faculty members, lot many from the department, they were also listening along with.
Oh
So
God,
we
okay.
request you to kindly plan a workshop for the faculty members as well, our team members, because
Okay.
we also lack in lot many things, and we want to learn, really want to learn, ma'am.
Definitely, ma'am.
Thank
It
you
was
so
again,
much,
I'm
Navneet
saying,
ma'am and Neetu ma'am.
welcome. Most welcome,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And keep practicing.
आपने बांध के
And
रखा 3 घंटे हमें.
मैम
yes, please.
हेलो
Yes.
मैम आपने 3 घंटे बांध के रखा हमें, मतलब नॉलेज इतनी दी आपने, मतलब हम रुके नहीं, मतलब क्लास को लीव ही नहीं किया.
So thank you so much.
Can we speak both the languages, Hindi or English?
In interview?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is your
Hindi भी use
okay.
सकते हैं.
Ma'am, that is I mean, above upon the this your interviewer. If your interviewer is using English, then you need to talk in English only. But if your interviewer is asking you questions in Hindi, then it is advisable to you can give your answers in Hindi also. But as for the profile, आप जिस profile के लिए जा रहे हैं, fine. As for that, I will guide you that please join like that and give your interview in English. If you have a profile where you will be dealing with the clients and your clients are like that, they are more into English speaking, then yes, you need to give your answers.
And fluctuating words. That's
Sorry, ma'am?
why I'm not comfortable
Navneet
with
ma'am?
Yes, Sahil.
मैम ये जो शीट कहाँ से where you will upload this sheet, ma'am?
You are talking about the presentation, Sahil?
Yes, ma'am. I mean, yes, I'm talking about
Yeah,
that presentation.
it will be uploaded on your eConnect account
Okay,
under
ma'am.
additional academic resources.
Sources.
There is a tab you may check, workshops. On that, we will be uploading this PPT as well.
Thank you,
And actually, to check that whether you have learned the things ma'am told you, we have drafted a short test. Kindly attempt that. It's
Sure, ma'am.
our humble request to you. Kindly attempt the test and please give your feedback, because it's really very important that we want to know that what workshops you want in future.
No issues, ma'am.
Ma'am, the test sheet is available in academic resources in eConnect.
Yeah, yes, Kanaya. The previous PPTs are also available, and we'll be uploading this PPT as well.
Okay, and that is available on eConnect, no?
Yes, in eConnect, you under academic resources, there is a tab, additional academic resources.
Okay.
There we would be uploading all the professional enhancement resources, and you may check that previous workshops which were conducted for distance education students, the resources are also available there, and I will be sharing this PPT as well. Anything else related to the topic so that we would...
no, ma'am. The
No, ma'am.
topic was very much clear to all of us. No,
because
no,
it is an opportunity, ma'am is waiting for your doubts.
Yes, if you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Ma'am, is there any app to learn, or is English speaking very well?
There are certain apps available on Google Play also. You can check from there. And if you want specific app, then I'll inform Navneet ma'am. So ma'am will again guide you for these applications.
Yes,
so from
we'll
those
share the email.
applications,
Ma'am, I'll send an email to them.
Okay ma'am.
Okay.
Kindly.
मैंने फन क्वेश्चन पूछना था
जी
पैसिफिक ओशन का हर एक सी वर्ड अलग क्यों